Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over team signups. I'm currently in the Inhouz Cloud console in the subscription management tab. We're going to focus on our support auth service today. It's a production environment external service. We're just going to jump in and jump into the plans. We're going to focus on one of our plans. This plan is a paid plan and currently billed per user. So what we're going to focus on in this video is team signups. By default, by the way, all plans are configured for just one user per account. So if you wanted, an account to have more than one user, what you would need to do is toggle on the allow team signup option over here. And then it also gives you the option to have, to limit the team size. So, if you wanted to say, well, I want to have, team signups for this plan, but based on the plan's pricing, I only want to limit this to, let's say, 3 users, right? You have that option. Or, if you wanted this to, if this was maybe your, most premium plan and you were happy with the pricing and you were happy if they paid for an unlimited amount of people on that plan, then you would basically say, well, I want to have, unlimited number of users on this plan. Another thing you could do here, another reason why you might have team size limits or team plans, it may be based on permissions, maybe different plans have different permissions and your application does something with those permissions, but that's something we're going to visit in a future video. For this video, we're just going over, the whole concept of team signups. By default, a subscription service plan is configured for non-teams, just individual users. And if you want to turn on team signups, then you can toggle on the team sign up button here. And if you wanted to limit the team size, if you wanted to specify the team size, then you could also toggle that on, configure that as well. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.